Hello friends! Today, we're going to talk about the laziest animals in the world. Some of them spend almost their whole lives sleeping. Get ready to yawn with them. The koala is the champion of sleep. It can sleep up to 20 hours a day. Looks like it's never even heard of an alarm clock. Its name says it all, the sloth. It moves so slowly you'd think it's in slow motion. But admit it, it's just too cute. Cats sleep an average of 16 hours a day, and sometimes they pick the funniest places for a nap, like a tiny box or even your keyboard. The snake loves staying still for hours. Is it sleeping? Is it waiting? Who knows? But one thing's for sure, it doesn't waste much energy. And finally, the turtle. No stress, no rush. It moves slowly and peacefully, as if it had all the time in the world. So, which one do you think is the laziest? The koala, the sloth, the cat, the snake, or the turtle? But shh, the mascot is already asleep.
Please, I'm begging you.